Dito na ako sa location ng shoot ko today. Tapos, hinahanap ko yung bulsa ng t-shirt ko. Nakita ko na. Nakakahiya! Today is going to be a busy day for me. Meron akong field work. For days like this na medyo busy, I still try to squeeze in a quick workout. So, ang go-to workout ko kapag ganito nalalabas ako is the Saitama workout.
100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, and 100 squats, then a 10-kilometer run!
Hindi ko naman talaga magagawa yung 10-kilometer run kasi nga medyo busy. Since nasa labas ako, tatry ko na lang at least ma-hit 10,000 steps. Getting my steps in. 1K, 2K, 3K, 4K, 5K, 6K, 7K, 8K, 9K, 10K. Nabot na tayo ng dagat. See you at home. Makaka-uwi ko lang after a long and tiring day. Siyempre, kimi-kimi ko lang yung pagbilang kunyari ng steps kanina. Pero ito talaga yung steps ko for today. It's not 10,000 steps pero I'm still proud of that. Today has been very productive. So yun lang, papahinga na ako.